Hey guys and girls, B-boy, B-girls. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a coffee grinder and coffee grinder slash back coffee grinder. So this is going to be in the beginner playlist as well. So I'll show you what the coffee grinder, and then I'll show you the back coffee grinder. You don't need to get the back coffee grinder first because that's the harder one. So if you're just beginnerish, then just go for the coffee grinder first. So that's the coffee grinder. The back coffee grinder, just the same but backwards. So you're going that way, now you're going that way. So it's okay, that's them, and I'll divide it up into a few steps for you. Some few easy steps. Okay, so forward coffee grinder. First, just kneel down on your tiptoes, put your hands down in front of you, like on your knees, so like that. Then put your whatever like handed you are. I'm right-handed, this hand, but so then you do that. Whatever handed you are, put that leg out as far as you can. Well, not as far as you can, just out, and then you need to push this forward, like bring it round you, like you're trying to kick your leg round. So then, like this, lift one hand up. If you don't lift the first hand up, then you'll go like that and kick your arm, and it won't work because you'll end up going like that and spinning around. So you'll go round there, lift this leg up, then you'll do the same by lifting that hand up, then sort of leaning to the side that the leg you started with, and then you're gonna push all your strength body on it, so like lean on it but not too far, so you're like still sitting up, and then just hop over it like that, and then go over again, over, hands over, hop, over, hop, over, hop, over, hop, over, hop. So that was really forward coffee grinder. Now I'll move on to a bit of advanced move, which is not advanced from beginner, so it's a harder move. So you'll do the same foot out, but you're going to bring it back and do everything that you just done, but rewind it. So you're starting, then you're doing it backwards. So hop, over, round, hop, over, hop, over, hop, over. So you just need to remember the sequence that you do it. Forward is over, hop. Back coffee grinder is hop, over. So you're just putting hop at each other at the sides of it. So as long as you keep that in mind, hope the tutorials helped you. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe. Bye.